Muigana wa ngucanio inya nicio ikumuthoranirwo umuthi rigi nene ya KPL kuria irabu itiganite ciandikithirie maumirira matiganite. Ngucanio ya mbere njorua cia kimera githiru Gor Mahia mahotirwo ngucanio na Nzoia Sugar kwamba wimwe gwa gibugu kugerera mukwanjo wa muthaki Hansel Ochieng na gukunderia matanya mao ma kuyukia rigi nene ya bururi KPL kimera giki. Thu ciao cia ihinda iraya FC Leopards matiuma na kahinda kahuthu kiharo-ini gia Kenyatta kuria makumuthurirwo ni KCB na mbaũ imwe gwa gibugu kugerera mukwanjo wa muthaki Kennedy Owino na riu irabu ici cieri igukorwo igithagathaga gucemania ngucanio-ini ya Mashemeji Derby muthia-ini wa kiumia. Ngucanio-ini ingi kirabu gia Sony Sugar mandikithirie uhotani wa mbaũ 2 gwa gibugu magithaka na kirabu gia Kariobangi Sharks na Zoo KCB matho uhotani wa mbaũ 2-1 magithaka na Western Stima. Kungina kuo athaki kirabu kia Mount Kenya United ni mathiete na mbere na gukumithia utongoria wa kirabu giki kumana na athaki kwaga kurihwo marihi mao na gucungiriria athaki ya kwaga kunyita itemi ngucanio-ini itiganite.
We need our issues to be settled, our houses opened, something to keep us going. That is what we want. Because as you've been told, the owner of the team is not concerned about the team anymore. He doesn't care what we as players will do. If we decide we'll not finish the remaining matches, is well with it. So because we don't want to dirty our images anymore, we are just asking for someone who can come and help us finish the remaining 4 matches.
Gukinyiria riu Mount Kenya mahianite walkover 2 na manyitirire muting'oe wa rigi na pointi 18.